Superconductors, those material whose resistivity becomes zero below a critical temperature. Spectrograph, an instrument for producing photographic record of spectrum. Spectroscopy, the investigation of wavelength and intensities of electromagnetic radiations emitted or absorbed by the atoms. Strain, the change produced in the size or shape of the body by applying a stress. Stress force per unit area. Thermistor, heat-sensitive resistor. Time period, that interval during which the voltage source changes its polarity once. Transformer, a device which converts high AC voltage to low AC voltage or low AC voltage to high AC voltage. Transistor, semiconducting material to which at least 3 electrical contacts are made. Ultimate tensile stress, the maximum stress that a material can withstand. Young's modulus, ratio of the tensile stress applied to the material to the resulting tensile strain.